can you run a business online from a mobile phone or a smartphone? This is a good question, and I actually get asked this question all the time. And I'm going to explain to you how you can do it, the best way to do it, and really if it can be done 100% on a phone, and you can just enjoy yourself and run a business from a phone wherever you want. So this is a question I get asked all the time. Can it be done? Should you do it? And if it's something you can actually start a business from on a mobile phone. Now, it's important to note here, guys, that starting a business with a mobile phone is next to impossible. Because first of all, you need a method to work with. So let's say drop shipping. Well, you need to create a drop shipping store. You're going to have to do that on a laptop because it's going to be nearly impossible to do it on a mobile phone. Same with affiliate marketing. You're going to have to set up your website or your YouTube channel, and it's going to have to be done via a laptop. So starting a business with just a phone is going to be very hard for you to do. However, you can do stuff with that later. But it is important to note that for the majority of your business when you're starting it, for like the first couple of months or the first few months until you build up some employees and stuff or contractors from freelancers, you're going to have to use a computer to start your business. Now, this isn't to say that you're going to have to use a laptop for the rest of your business online, because I run one of my businesses 100% now from mobile phone. I do not do anything on the laptop I can if I want, but I do all of it on the phone now. So how do I do it, guys? What's the strategy? What's the setup? And how am I able to run one of my businesses from my cell phone? So guys, obviously the first thing to do is have a business set up like I explained. Whether you're doing drop shipping, affiliate marketing, or something like that. For example, we're going to use affiliate marketing in this video because that's what I use my mobile phone to run 100% without me touching anything on a laptop. So the first thing you obviously need, guys, is have it running, but you need some employees. So I've got some videos on my channel where I talk about how to get employees and stuff like that and freelancers, so you can go and watch those. But once you have people on the payroll that you're contracting out or whatever, they are freelancers, you need a central location for contact. There's lots of different applications out there, employment management applications, but I find a lot of them very confusing and hard to use. So what I use, guys, and it's free, is Slack. They do have paid versions, but the free version is fine. The good thing about Slack, guys, is you have all of your employees on the left sidebar, and you can talk to them all separately, or you can have a group chat if you have managers and stuff like that. So what I do is I have every single employee on the left. So I've got my article writers, I've got my backlink builders, I've got my graphic designers, all listed there. And I can talk to every single one separately. Now what you want to do, guys, is once you have that set up, you want to allocate a Google document to each one of those people. So you send them a Google document. It can be blank or it can have content on it, but that's their allocated Google document that you can update whenever you like, right? So for example, let's say I've got an article writer, and let's say his name's James, hypothetically. So hey, James, I want to get this article written. And I say all the information is in the Google document, and I'll go into the Google document, guys, and I'll write down, I want this article, this title, use these keywords, this is a topic, blah, 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 right? And I can easily get that information from my mobile phone. I just go and find other articles that are working in the industry. Once he has that document, guys, or he's gone and checked that document, he then does the content and then all that sort of stuff, and then he's like, hey, Franklin, I've uploaded the article. I go and have a look. It's all good. And then he sends me a PayPal notification to pay for the content. I've literally done everything from step 1 all the way to the end on the mobile phone. I could be at dinner. I could be driving. I could be fishing. I could be doing whatever I like. And I get a notification saying, hey, Franklin, I got a question. Okay, answer the question. Hey, Franklin, here's the payment. Pay the guy. Hey, what's this? What's that, right? And I can literally run my business via the mobile phone application. Now, of course, it's really going to depend on what type of business you're doing. If you're doing drop shipping, it is a little bit more harder to run from a mobile phone 100%, without using a laptop, because you need to do extensive product research all the time, you need to fulfill orders and all that sort of stuff. So some businesses are going to be hard to run from a mobile phone. But affiliate marketing, guys, or, getting graphic designers, or, you've got a blog or something like that, you can literally run it all from a mobile phone once the blog is actually set up. So what I recommend you do is actually start your business and get it running. Obviously, you're not going to want to hire employees straight away. I understand that. You might do it 6 months later or a year later. You're going to have to put in the hard work first and do quite a lot of stuff yourself. But once you've got your foundation set and you're ready to move on to employees, go and get some employees. And then download an application called Slack. That's going to be your central location to contact all your employees. And make sure you turn on notifications so you get a notification straight away when your employee... Sorry guys, I just had a phone call, don't even know where I was. But anyway, I think I was on Slack. So the good thing about Slack is when you have, you can just say, hey, I want your email. You get their email and you add them to Slack. They don't even need to have Slack. It'll tell them to download it and stuff like that. So just get their email and add them to Slack. And then you have that central location where you can talk to your employees and you get a notification every single time. The next step, guys, is to make sure you allocate a Google document to every single person. This is going to make your life a lot easier. Okay? It's just so much easier. You can update that Google document whenever you like. Now, it is going to take you a while to set this all up. It could take you weeks, months, but once everything is running smoothly, guys, you literally will have everything there. Everything will run through Slack, and you can use Slack on your desktop if you like. You can use Slack on your mobile phone, which is what we're talking about in this video. But you can run your business from anywhere in the world, and that is basically the goal of an online business. You want to have it so you start it, you work really hard to get it going, but you want to get to the point where that business runs itself and you do minimal work. You might do like an hour a week or 2 hours a week. One of my affiliate blogs, guys, I do like 2 hours a month work on it. I just give them some topics, do this, do that. They do everything for me. They post the articles, they do all the research, they do all the backlinks, and everything is done via my team. So that is the goal, is to go from starting your business and then at the end, cruising, and then have your team do everything and have it all running from your mobile phone. Now, I know there's not a lot of content in this video, guys, but this was just a question that I got from quite a few of my viewers. If you have any questions, let me know below. I'm happy to do a video on it for you guys. This one was about how to run your business from a mobile phone. Just go back, and that's exactly how I do it. Slack, Google Documents, that's literally the only two things you need to run your own business online. Now, if you want to learn more about how to run your own business, guys, I'll leave some videos up on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that notification bell, smash that like button, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. And remember, if you have any questions and you want me to answer them in another video, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next video.